Welcome back. Today we're going to be playing with Wilbur's Don't Press the Button 4.
Yeah,
Hope you like me and subscribe to Dancing Donut.
And subscribe to Something Funny, which is always tagged in
And
Roblox.
please look at my 2 new videos. And let's get going. Okay. Oh my god. Ah! I fell.
Huh?
The hell?
What's huh?
What's coming?
Oh, there she is.
What
look.
is on my screen?
There's
Sorry,
Dancing
guys.
Donut. Oh.
Why have I got no pants?
Wait, I just did the hack.
Why am I froze? Okay. Oh
Yo,
no.
I just did the hack. I'm tiny.
I hate this. No, I died. My screen's so slow. Shut up, Wilburs. Shut up.
Look at me, bro. Look at me, bro.
Where's Wilburs? That's Wilburs.
I was tiny.
Tiny person.
Lucky or unlucky? I don't know.
What the hell?
Ah.
What is that?
She's missing an arm. Dancing Donut's missing an arm.
How dare you?
We all just died in 1 second.
Everyone died. There's not even one person left.
Yeah. I still got my cake though.
No one left. I don't have any cake.
Look, there she is. Jump over our heads.
How dare you? Why are you underneath me?
Because I'm so small.
Why are you so small?
Because I have a small grocery.
Ah! What the hell am I?
Grab the most rings it said. Oh, I'm so bad.
What? How? How did I grab the most rings?
I'm going inside of them like Sonic.
I'm a Sonic.
I got 10.
I got 3 so far. 4.
Hey, yo, we got a penguin! Hey, I got 10. That's no fair.
That's no fair. Shut up, you're moaning.
Build the snowman. Okay.
How?
Seems easy enough by getting the different parts.
You have to do an obby. I don't want to do an obby. Okay, let's start this bit. Oh no, I died. How obvious. Okay, this one. This one is more good. I'm following distracted donut. Or more like disturbing donut, shall I
You
say?
said I was distracted donut.
I said you were disturbing. Who just dropped money?
No,
Somebody?
I'm not distracted donut.
You're
you
just.
guys know who I am. I'm something funny.
You're just. No, what was your new word you wanted to be called on your YouTube bit? You wanted to become something a bit rude.
Something funny.
Why can't I get my doom? It's not here. Why is there nothing there? Oh, I hate
I
this.
do have a channel.
Someone has been built.
called Distracted Donut. Go subscribe to that
Oh my
channel.
god.
But I believe someone.
Don't press that button! Oh, we're just to the top. What the hell? I don't want to do this. Oh my god, just literally. Why did you press the button, Wilburs?
Because it's don't press the button and I always break the law.
You break
No,
the
it
law?
didn't let me jump.
Will
Sorry,
you?
I didn't break the
Will
law.
you break the law if I break your butt? Okay, guys. Jump to this one.
I went for the cloud.
And I went to your butt in the new year. No, I need help.
Ah!
Help me!
Nah, scum.
Don't care. Slide it.
Look at these blocks.
Okay, guys.
Jumping.
2, 1, jump!
I survived.
What was that? I don't get that. I jumped.
Find the most amount of fire.
Oh, I done this one.
Me too.
Found one. Ha ha ha.
I hate you too. Oh, I found one.
Fireworks! my iPad. I found one. And this is so boring. My scream. Sorry guys about my scream. It's not the best. See one ahead. No! No! Okay guys. I already see one. Oh my god, stop taking my fireworks, you weirdo. Why are you so tiny? You are the tiniest person I've ever met. Don't take that firework. You hear me? Don't take that firework. You already kissed my butt. Okay. I'm sorry guys, it does this all the time. Here's a hack for me. Oh my neck. Oh my guys. I won! Hope you watched my 2 new videos, the jelly mode. I just got it today to be fair. Shut up.
I won't jump over the incoming lasers.
Why? Sorry guys.
I'm just so small, I can just not even jump.
Who pressed the button?
Me now.
Oh, it's not you, thank God. Robert!
I'm not even
Oh, press the button. Don't step on the mine. I'm not dumb like you guys, so I would not step on them. I am not dumb like you.
Tiny body but big brain.
Big brain!
No,
Remember
Maya.
in Green Lantern? Big brain.
Maya, look at me.
Guys, if you watch Green Lantern, there's a big brain.
Oh yeah, big brain. Maya, we were the only ones that survived.
I'm big brain. Okay, guys. I'm bored. What the hell? Why am I red?
No!
Quickly get to the top. Oh,
Okay, guys,
I
think
hope you
we're gonna
played the game.
We're gonna do
That's fun.
5 more rounds.
Yeah, and
And
then
if we do not win, you guys have to subscribe.
you guys have to subscribe. So we're gonna do 5 more rounds, and if we lose those 5 rounds, even one, you have to subscribe. Okay.
Avoid the
Like you two, try to talk nicely, yeah, not the shut up words, guys.
Alright, big brain.
Love ya.
Bye bye.
We just got jumped.
That was my dad. Don't mind him. And he just scared me to my hell. Okay. This is a bit freaky now.
Yeah, this is kind of like creepy. This is like Green
What?
Lantern in the water.
I'm not with you. I know you are because you're so tiny. I can't see you. I am not gonna die today. I shall never die. Oh, please, Big Brain, save me. Oh, can we get onto there? Is that land? Can we get onto there? Somebody jump.
No.
What an awful jump. Let me press that button.
What? Avoid the moving captions. What?
What the hell?
Penguin knows the answers.
What do you mean penguin knows it? What are you doing? Oh my god, I did not see that! Oh, okay, can I go into here? No, okay. Okay. Still gotta...
We can win this, guys.
Oh my butt.
Penguin knows the answers.
Who? The Earth is penguin.
Penguin does not know the answers.
Where's penguin?
Oh, he does.
Oh, well, where's nearly died?
Someone just Naruto.
Well, I bet you one's gonna move. Well, I'd run. What did you do? Everyone fell. Okay.
Why is there a mine here?
Hello. Okay.
Okay,
Oh, I need to get these coins.
That's two.
Let me press that button. What is it? Wait, what? Press the button the most time. I hate this one. It's so boring. Ow!
This dude trying to shoot us?
Oh, there's a
man.
penguin.
I don't even know how much I got.
Ah!
I went under the table, big brain.
What?
I just immediately
What?
died.
I'm stuck. What? That's not fair. No, we need. Oh, okay. What is this? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! My screen froze. Shoot. No, I died. I bet.
Yo,
Oh, that's not fair. I died because my screen froze. Well, Biz, you're so
You know what
bad.
else isn't fair? You guys not subscribing.
Yeah, that's not fair. I don't know how many subscribers, but on my first episode, I saw I got 9 views. So thanks for that.
She got
But
9
I
views,
need
yeah.
subscribers too now. I need some likes. So thank you.
I'm
Okay.
so tiny, I can just go under everything.
What? What? No, that's cheating. You a little dude.
No!
You die. Little birds die.
But I'm pretty sure I can get that.
One player won. Only one, and I was not with us. Let me press that button. What do we have to do? Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. Oh, no, I nearly died. Oh, it's just me and this girl. Shoot, shoot.
My one.
I won.
Find and press the button.
I pressed the button. Found it, found it. I pressed it.
No, you didn't.
I found the button. I'm not joking. I did.
I know, but someone else pressed it.
I pressed the button. Enter the castle. I don't trust this castle, guys. I don't like it. Oh, it's a lobby. No. How? Wait, what? Ah! Oh, I don't like this lobby. Ugh. No! Why'd I give it there?
You got this, guys. This is the last level before we have to end this.
Yeah, so good luck. Oh, good. I'm good at this.
But actually done like real compete and win level. She said, oh, I'm good at this.
I know. Stay here.
Oh,
I died. I'm gonna reach the end. I know it.
You can win this.
I can win this.
Excuse me, I'm right behind you.
Got the treasure chest. No! You made it.
I just need to complete
I can
one
go
more.
back now.
No! Right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
Please subscribe to
We're
both
gonna have
our
to
channels.
end, so, oh my god.
3,
2, 1.
Goodbye.